Sometimes the journey itself is the destination. Today we are driving through Cairngorms National Park, where every road leads to a new view and every turn feels like a postcard. As we make our way through the Cairngorms, the scenery slowly unfolds. Wide open landscapes, rolling hills, forests, and endless skies. This is the largest national park in the UK and one of the most peaceful places to explore by road. There is no rush here, just quiet roads, fresh air, and nature all around. This is the kind of drive where you don't need a plan. You simply follow the road and let Scotland surprise you. One of the best things about driving here is the freedom to stop whenever something catches your eye. A quiet lay-by, a sudden view of the mountains, or a patch of light breaking through the clouds. These unplanned moments often become the most memorable ones. As we drive through the national park, you'll notice how vast and untouched it feels. Covering nearly 4,500 square kilometers, it's the largest national park in the UK. Home to ancient pine forests, dramatic mountains, wildlife, and some of the most beautiful driving routes in Scotland. What makes the Cairngorms special isn't just the landmarks, it's the feeling of space, silence, and connection with nature. Whether you are driving for a few hours or a few days, this place invites you to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. The Cairngorms are not just a summer destination. In winter, this area transforms into one of the best skiing regions in the UK, with several ski centers nearby. And here is a fun fact: Cairngorms National Park is also one of the best places in the UK to spot the northern lights, thanks to its dark skies and northern location. Seeing the aurora dance above these mountains is truly unforgettable. This drive is just the beginning. In the next part, we'll stop and explore some of the Cairngorms highlights, from stunning viewpoints and locks to cozy cafes and a bit of adventure. Until then, sit back, enjoy the road, and let the Cairngorms set the pace. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.